Here's a problem, a headache that anyone that's been driving for any number of years probably knows, especially if dealing with an older vehicle. When these problems present themselves, it always comes without warning. There's no squeaking or creaking to let you know it's time. Your car is fine, and then the motor suddenly stops with a clunk and won't restart. And in this case, it could very likely be your timing belt. Here's what you do to replace it if you don't want to take it into the shop. First, make sure you purchase a new one that's right for your vehicle. And not a bad idea to gather the information about your vehicle from the owner's manual. In fact, it's the best place for that information. You'll need to know the make, model, and year of the vehicle, as well as the engine type and size. Make sure you also purchase gaskets and gasket adhesive. This is a necessity for reassembly. Then it's about the fitting. Disconnect the negative battery cable for safety's sake. Always put that first, wearing any personal protective equipment, working in a well-ventilated area, and always following manufacturer's instructions. Then remove the alternator belt. Depending on your model, you may need to remove the serpentine belt to get to the timing belt. Loosen the nuts, pushing the alternator if necessary to create slack on the belt and remove it. Then remove any accessories such as the power steering pump, alternator, and air conditioning compressor so you can access the timing belt cover. From there, you'll want to remove the distributor cap if your vehicle is equipped with one. You may need to pry apart the retaining clips to free the distributor cap, as well as remove any screws holding it in place. Then line up those timing marks. This is very important. Use a wrench or socket on the crankshaft bolt. Rotate the engine until the timing mark on the crankshaft pulley is aligned with the 0-degree mark on the timing scale. Determine if the harmonic balancer pulley needs to be removed to remove the timing belt cover. Often this can be the case. The cover saddles over the end of the crankshaft, and this pulley will not allow you to remove the cover without first removing it. So make sure to check. Then remove the bolts or screws holding the timing cover in place. Check for proper alignment of the crank and camshaft timing marks as well. Again, incredibly important. You also want to be checking for any signs of an oil leak along the actual belt and gears. Finally, loosening. Then loosen the mounting bolt or bolts holding the belt tensioner using any special cam holding tools while following the service manual. Examine the tensioner pulley for damage such as dents or cracks. Next, slide the belt off the sprockets. Replace with a new belt and reassemble. At this point, hopefully you remember the reverse order. If you don't, make sure to have a system, take notes so that it's easy to do. And remember to always put safety first. Only use those manufacturer recommended parts, chemicals, and more.